Hello everyone, today we're going to be replacing this section of intake pipe because as you can see, there's a crack. I noticed it when replacing my wife's battery the other day, so I figured it was a good time to go ahead and replace that. So today, I'm going to show you how. We're going to start by removing the upper intake cover. It's simply pushed in with a couple pins, so all you have to do is lift up on it and the whole thing comes off. There's two harnesses that we need to remove from the intake. They simply pull out of their little clips. Next up, we have to loosen both of these clamps. They are using a 5.5mm socket. One here and one here. Next up, we're going to remove this hose clamp here. I think we can just squeeze it and pull this pipe going into the inlet pipe out. I believe for ease of removal, this whole assembly here is going to be pulling out in this direction. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this portion of the intake covering up the filter, just so that we've got more room to pull this out. Should be two clips over here holding it in place, and then we'll just wiggle our way out until it comes loose. This should be a push pin connector, so we're just going to push it together and back the connector out so we can move this out of our way. The intake that's attached to the throttle body is pretty tight. It's been on there since new, so it's got like 170,000 miles on it. So I'm going to loosen it up with the screwdriver to help me be able to pull it off. I'm not trying to destroy anything. I'm just trying to break this seal loose so that it wants to come out more freely. This hose clamp in the back is kind of giving me a little bit of a fight. So now that the other piece has been freed, I'm going to try and clamp down on the hose clamp to open it up and then twist the intake to see if that comes out. So I don't have the proper pullers to do this, but this little section right down here, the plastic has become so hardened that it is unwilling to move itself over the flange of this pipe. So I'm going to be cutting this plastic down here. Then I'll slide off the clamp and then cut away the rest of the plastic. On our new part, it has all this material, so I don't need to worry about it. Full transparency for you guys dealing with this right now. So I had to cut off the majority of it so I could get my hands around here. Cut open this clamp. I know, bad mechanic. But now I can finally get to the piece that's been troubling me, so we can see potentially inside that the nipple from this pipe goes all the way through. I thought it was like a little flange thing here, but it's not. So it's really stuck on here. The plastic is now old and hardened, so I got to go ahead and cut this piece off, and then we can finally start the reinstallation process. Wow. Okay. All right. We got it. So here's my new part that I got off of Amazon. I will leave a link in the description below. I bought the cheapest one I possibly could. I think it was like $17 and free shipping. Anyway, you can see this new clamp already on here. We've got the two for the ends, and they are a different size. I'm going to start with this plug, the one that gave me so many problems, and then we're going to slide this onto the throttle body. Okay, it's finally seated. Woo! That was a lot. Anyway, let's keep going. This side, we can clamp into here. It's got little tape marks so we know where it went. Next, let's make sure we've got our sensor up top. We can go ahead, clip that into there. There's a little dowel that has to be located in this one specific spot. Make sure you line that up. Go ahead and slide the intake back in place, clip it in. We're going to reinstall our connector, slide it back into the wire harness. When we're tightening down our new hose clamps, they are 8mm. We're almost done. We're going to reinstall our engine cover, which goes onto these little pins, 2, 3, 4. As long as you get it close, you'll feel them press into place. Alright, that's going to wrap up this episode. We're all done. If this episode helped you in any way, please hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next episode.